As every dental team member is well aware, the CDT code set is how dentists across the country get reimbursed for what they do. These CDT codes are updated yearly, but many dental practices do not utilize or keep up-to-date coding resources. Let's take a closer look at how proper dental coding affects your bottom line and the negative consequences of improper coding. Let's start with how proper dental coding can boost your income. With new CDT codes being added every year, on top of current CDT codes changing, it can be a lot to keep up with for a busy dental practice. Especially if you are consistently growing your scope of services, more than likely there are CDT codes that you are underutilizing. Since 2020, there have been over 175 CDT code changes. Without the proper dental coding knowledge and resources, your dental claim accuracy can suffer, leading to repeated denials due to submitting incorrect or deleted CDT codes. Over time, this can lead to low and inconsistent revenue. With rising costs, reductions in revenue can lead to difficult decisions for a dental practice owner. One way to combat high overhead is to reduce costs. Another way to overcome high overhead is to increase revenue. But this doesn't have to mean overpacking your schedule and working overtime. Email consulting at practicebooster.com to learn how. Dental coding directly affects your dental billing processes. So, how do you streamline your dental coding processes? Your staff needs accurate dental coding resources. Without them, your staff is left spending valuable time trying to track down code information on the internet. Start with these small steps to put your practice on the right track to faster reimbursement. First, implement insurance verification prior to appointments to ensure that patients are covered for specific treatments at the time of service. Second, secure a subscription to the industry's most comprehensive and up-to-date dental coding database, Practice Booster's online code advisor. Third, make sure your clinical documentation can support proper dental coding. And lastly, train staff on dental billing best practices and get them dental coding resources to use when submitting claims. Find all the dental coding resources your practice needs to succeed at practicebooster.com.